Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you turn on your heated seats and at the same time heated steering wheel on your Volkswagen. I usually do videos on the Beamers, but let's do a few videos on the Volkswagens as well. So right over here you have a button, if you look over here, for the heated seats. Okay, if you press one, you're gonna have three settings. So the most heat you're gonna get when you press the very first time. You press once more, you're getting kind of medium heat intensity. You press once again, you're getting just one. And to shut it off, third time in a row. So that's how you turn your heating seats on, and you're gonna get heated throughout the entire seat. So just like that, all that will gonna be heated. Now going back to the steering wheel, you're gonna have the this button right here, which is right here. And if I press, you're gonna get the message on right here on the steering wheel. So keep that in mind. Now again, you have three settings here. You have three dots. Did you see what I'm talking about? If I press once again here, you're gonna get less heat. You see, I already reduced by one button. If I press once again here, you're gonna get the least amount of heat. And you see, there's only one available, only one left. So the more white dot you have, the more heat. And that's pretty much that. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.